Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today is the 21st day in a series where I am taking the contents from 5 different advent calendars, and I am opening the contents, and I'm going to give the contents to a nonprofit. I'll put some information in the description box down below about it, and I will open up day 21, starting with the OPI calendar. Ooh, this is pretty. This is called Candied Kingdom. Very true red. I like this a lot, obviously. I'm gonna need to redo my manicure after. The OPI calendar, ironically, is the one that's just tearing up my nails. Next, the NYX calendar. Ooh. Soft matte lip cream in Kiev. So it might even be black. Very, very dark. Pretty. Next is the Body Shop. And this is a black eye kohl definer pencil. I'm sure someone will be able to make use of a black eyeliner pencil. Next is Feel Unique. All right, so this is a mane and tail shampoo and conditioner. I know that these were initially horse products. I know people are using them on their hair. Let me know if you've used these on yourself or on a person and not on a horse. Very curious. I know that there are a lot of people who like this a lot, but I have not yet jumped onto this particular bandwagon. And these are not for me anyway. I'm giving them away, but I'm curious about this. So if you know anything about it, let me know. Last but not least, also very lightweight, from Space & K. This is another Lipstick Queen. This is smaller. The other one I think maybe came from Feel Unique. And this is in Medieval. So I'm not sure if this is really the color or if it's one of those. There are a lot of Feel Unique, not Feel Unique. I'm a little brownie. I'm almost done with this. I've been filming for a very long time. Yeah, I'm not familiar. I'm familiar with them, but I don't really use these. So I don't know if this is going to be one that changes based on your skin type or your lips or what have you. I'm gonna stop talking now. Thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and I really appreciate you taking the time to spend with me today and all the other days. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.